राम राम सभी को। जय श्री कृष्ण। ओम नमः शिवाय।
In this video, we will learn how to practice Agni Shakti Mudra. First, we need to sit in Padmasana or Vajrasana position. Now we will connect our both hands in different manner to make Agni Shakti Mudra. Now bring your both hands in front of you. Now fold your all fingers inside your palm, keeping thumbs straight outside. Now connect your both hands, thumbs, tipped together. Things to notice while doing Agni Shakti Mudra to avoid mistake. Now fold your all fingers inside your palm. Index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, keeping thumb straight outside. Now connect your both hands, thumbs tipped together. Now place your hands in front of your laps or Muladhara chakra. Now you are ready to do meditation in Agni Shakti Mudra. Now let's talk about the benefits of doing Agni Shakti Mudra. It helps to balance fire element in the body. This mudra helps to increase heat in our body, helps to get relief from anxiety and stress. It helps to recover from low blood pressure problem, helps to improve the digestion. Now you have
If you
learned
like this
Agni
video,
Shakti
please
Mudra.
like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family.